Welcome to Rustic Scoop, where you get to buy baking mixes with clean ingredients and you get to learn how to make them. Let's get started. We are making cinnamon rolls, and the recipe is on our website, The Scoop, and you will add all of your added ingredients that are listed there. This is what the dough will look like when you are finished, so you know exactly what it's supposed to look like. Nice and soft. Then you will pat it out. I wanted you to be able to see the texture so you know if you have done it correctly or not. It is doughy, not too sticky, and nice to work with. Then you will roll it out between two pieces of parchment paper until it is about 12 inches by 18 inches. My Silpat mat is exactly that size, and so it makes it nice and easy to measure. You can see the consistency is nice and smooth. Then we're gonna put our butter in little pats, nice and easy, just kind of put them haphazardly. And while you're putting them out, they will begin to melt and soften so that you can spread it easily. You wanna make sure when you spread it that you do spread it evenly. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want butter on all parts if you can do that. And then next, we are going to get ready to spread out our sugar, whatever choice you use. We use coconut sugar, that's why it's brown. And also you add your cinnamon. And so it is completely covered. If you want to add a little bit more, feel free to do that. Some people do, if you like a sweeter. And then you want to start the roll by yourself, and then super easy to roll. You want to pull the paper and it rolls for you. Super duper easy. And you will never roll any other way. Once you are done, you want to roll your log out, and then you get a really sharp knife and you cut into even pieces. They are each about 1.25 inches tall, and you'll get 9 or 10 pieces. Then you want to put them on your stove and let them rise if you have a stove top. If not, you would just want a warm, damp cloth over the top in a drop-free area for 30 minutes, and then they are ready to go into the oven. Once they are done out of the oven, you want to cut them nicely and gently. Put them on a plate. They're easy to get out. They're perfectly doughy and chewy without being a strange texture. They're perfect if you can see. And then we are going to glaze. That recipe is also on our website with the cinnamon roll recipe. Absolutely delicious. You're going to want to make these over and over. Super easy. You can do this yourself. And here is the final product.